Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. Start by picking one Obsidian Vault folder to sync and close other vaults. Install Google Drive for desktop and sign in, then choose the Vault folder to mirror. Enable offline access so files stay available without internet. Avoid editing the same note on multiple devices at the same time to reduce conflicts and data loss. First, install Google Drive for desktop and log into your Google account. Next, create or move your Obsidian Vault into the Drive synced folder and wait for the sync icons to show completion. Open Obsidian on a second device after Drive syncs there as well. Check that attachments and subfolders appear correctly, and verify that search and graph view work as expected before regular use. Conflicts happen when two devices change the same file before syncing finishes, so close Obsidian before you power down. Designate a primary device for heavy editing sessions and sync other devices afterward. If Drive creates conflicting copies, open both versions, compare timestamps, and merge manually within Obsidian to preserve links and tags. Regularly back up your vault to a secondary location to protect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.